Hello and welcome to another Bodgit and Leggit video. We have Vlad the Bleeder, my brake bleeder from Hobby Tools, which was named by Simon as Vlad the Bleeder, which is a fantastic name. Anyway, what we have is a 2009 Vauxhall Severa behind us, or Opel. This one happens to be a Vauxhall, same thing. And as you can see from my first video, which can you drive with no clutch, the clutch pedal was completely gone. So I was showing you, if this happened to you, how you can actually drive a car with no clutch to get you home, depending on the circumstances. But what we need to find now is what is going on. What do we have a problem with? Now, what I'm going to use this for is obviously to put pressure on the system to see if I can see a leak. Now, we can have a few possible issues. We could have problems with master cylinders, slave cylinders, leaking pipes, blown up clutches and stuff, but we've driven this car, so we at least know that the actual pressure plate and the clutch has to be kind of all right, because it's not slipping and it is driving. It just physically won't go into gear, and we've got no pressure in the clutch. So we need to know why haven't we got any pressure in the clutch. Now, unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to show you this, but right in under here is where the brake and clutch reservoir is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up Vlad on here. We're going to turn it on and we're going to see if we can see anything leaking. Now, again, I'm not going to be able to show you, but on top of the bottle, in the middle of the bottle where there's a line coming out, which is for the clutch fluid. Now, that it does look to be below that line, so that would kind of suggest maybe a leak. But it's very, very difficult to say because I can barely see it, and I'm not going to be able to show you on camera. So I'm going to set up Vlad, and once we do that, we'll turn the camera back on and we'll see what we can see. Sorted. Okay, so we've got Vlad set up. You want to see this bad boy in action? I've done video reviews on this. We've got him connected to the brake reservoir and obviously our 12-volt battery. All I'm going to do is turn it on and we're going to see. So make sure it's on stop, no pressure on it. Turn it on, turn it to start, wind up the pressure. I'm going to go to about just under a bar, or maybe a bar. Now what we're going to do, we're going to see if we can see a leak. Now there's just no room in this car. I cannot see anything. So what I'm going to do is let that run for a few seconds and see if there's a puddle underneath or a puddle inside. And at the minute, I can't see anything. If the slave cylinder was blown up, you'd expect it to be leaking out the bottom of the gearbox. Just check inside to make sure it's not leaking inside. I can't see any signs of it leaking inside. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn off the machine and see if it holds pressure. And the machine isn't holding pressure, and that's leaking. It should hold pressure. So that would suggest, yeah, that's going down really quickly. That suggests a leak somewhere. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep looking, and once I found something, I'll turn the camera back on and we'll go from there. Right, so let's turn Vlad back on, and when I turn it off, you can see it loses pressure more or less instantly. And we found the leak. So let's turn it back on again. Go underneath, and you can't really see it on camera, but you can just see it start to drip there. But believe me, inside the cover it is absolutely beeping it down. So believe me, it is coming out the bottom of the gearbox, no question about it. It's peeing out, absolutely. I could just see if I can get some light just for the naysayers. You can see. Can we see? There we go. If you can see that. Yeah, there you go. Look, you can see that right in the middle of the camera. You just see the camera lens reflecting on it. You just see it there. It's absolutely peeing out. Job done. This is where something like this is just invaluable. I'm on my own. I can keep pressure on it. It's told me straight away. I'm not guessing, not trying to do anything. Boom. The slave cylinder's gone, new clutch kit, end of story, sorted. So look, hope this helps. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Give a big thumbs up for Vlad the Bleeder. And most importantly, don't forget, get your hands dirty. See you for the next one. Sorted.